Hi, my name is Farah and I am a pharmacist by profession, and I've also trained in various aspects of holistic health and wellness coaching. I am from Resonance Innovative Health Solutions, and we offer allergy testing services and wellness coaching. Well, I came to this event really to learn about the new strategies, the new way of marketing a business. I found that my skills in digital marketing were quite limited, and I didn't really know how to implement things. So even though I had researched and attended some live events, I got the gist of the techniques, but I didn't know about the practicalities of implementing things. So I thought this event would be very helpful to me. I haven't tried any other courses as such. I've been to some seminars, but this particular class, James Nicholson's masterclass, is really helpful in the sense that it gives you the exact techniques, the step-by-step process to implement in your business, irrespective of the stage you're at in digital marketing. And for me, this has been really useful because it's shown me where to start and how to move on from there to get results using strategies that have proved to be successful for other people. I think the main thing is it's given me the confidence to get started and to aspire to great results with with a step-by-step proven technique. And yeah, it's shown me that it doesn't really matter whether you're just starting out or whether you're quite experienced in digital marketing. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to implementing all that James has taught me, and yeah, I look forward to the coming weeks where we will also get the support from the team to make sure that we are progressing.